Yo guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technical analysis. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 342, Technical Analysis Edition. I think the title still says Weekend Edition. It is technically Monday, so I should get rid of that. Crypto and stocks, right? Sorry about that. That was when I have to rush to the stream and forget to change some minor stuff. Oh man, super tired today, man. Very, very heavy day at work. But we're here, man. We're here nonetheless to bring you some awesome news. Yeah, I just completely botched the title. Let's fix that real quick though, because it's not really the weekend. We know that. We know we're not in the weekend. It is a holiday though, right? It feels like the weekend. I'm not sure if it's really updating the titles here, man. Sure, we're taking that a little bit to get the stream sorted out. Again, here I think it's just shifting things back and forth, so I'm not sure if it moved it again. I'll just leave it as it is, and I hope it's good. Now, thank you guys for joining me again tonight for this awesome stream again. I'm your host Martin. This episode 342. Sorry about that, taking a little bit longer to set up. Need to get some stuff worked out here real quick. With that said, again, thank you for joining me, and yeah, let's move on to the news, right? Sorry guys, fixing my monitor. It was a little bit off also. But on those news, let's get ready, right? What is happening outside of crypto? Anyways, if you're watching the stream live, welcome, and if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button, and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us once the stream is done, you can join us on the Discord. Links in the description, guys. Do those little things that are going to pop up here on the screen while I fix my computer monitor. For some reason, it's like pointing down a lot, so now I need to like fix the camera, the monitor, and everything together, right? It's weird, man. Like I haven't moved my monitors, and like they're all skewed. Probably my daughter came to the office and jumped on something. Let's move on to technicals. What's happening with crypto? There we go. Yo, so market cap trying to recover. Low, lower, low, more negative momentum. Nothing on the daily, right? Yesterday we had an okay day, going up 0.80%, approximately $2.49 billion. Looks a little bit like we had indecision, right? We didn't move down. We were bullish enough to pull it back up, or to push it back up. And right now we're really, just kind of failing to go higher, right? We did move up slightly, but not too much. So again, just also not showing a lot of determination towards the bullish side. Right now, going down very little, 0.09%, approximately $278 million, and sitting at $315.55 billion market cap. Bitcoin dominance at 60.64. Again, rejected at 20. Let's hope it rejects it more. It's better for the market if Bitcoin has a lot less market cap, right? And with that, let's move on to what else are we going to look at right now? Trying to gauge if the mic audio is good. Yeah, I think it's good. Right on. So, there we are. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit that like, that button, that sub, right? What's happening here? So we've moved down again to levels that were expected. Yesterday we managed to close above the 10,243. We talked about that. We said that could become bullish if we manage to sustain and close above it. Right, we were closing above it. Right now we could still go up on the daily. Maybe we could retest again 10,243. But I'm gauging that we could potentially go to that 10,647. Right. We don't have anything else helping. Low, lower, low. More negative momentum. Lower on the RSI. Neutral right now. Sorry, sold at 38.79. I was checking something else here on the chart when I opened this one, right? This is against Coinbase, and we do have the 161.8% retrace here for a chart that I drew, where I can say there's a low, high to low, right? Even though we had prior highs. So I guess we're getting back to that 100% area here that we hit back on. We hit it back on February 13, right? If I just go here and I were to place a line here, Alt H, there we go. You'll see that it's an area that we're bouncing more or less, right? And we're rejecting right now twice. So again, that could be giving us some resistance. I'm going to check in this other chart that I have, see if we also have it there. Again, I probably didn't place it there for a reason. Alright, so we probably also have something there. Just let me check that real quick, right? Looks like we might be hitting that area. Again, I didn't have it before. We'll just try that horizontal area there. Hey, Chobi, how's it going, bro? Thanks for being here, man. Don't want to call these top resistance though, right? I'm not sure. We can try to go for that one there. Again, I think it's just placing way too many lines here. I'm not sure whether or not it's going to be really a real resistance. Although we faced it twice, we could say, right, and we rejected it. That we had 10,385, right? That's the target that we're looking at right now. We're hitting it. Looks like we're rejecting it. I doubt this is going to be very strong. I'm just going to remove it. I just want to see if we're hitting something. And we are. We're hitting something from February. We're actually hitting the top of February 2020, right? The highest point we made on that date. So, that is that resistance that we're hitting there. I'm going to get rid of it. Again, I was checking if we're hitting something, and we are. With that, let's go to the 4 hour and figure out what's happening there. High, lower, high, right? Again, within the same island, we don't have anything. But this hidden bearish that we called, it did play out to the downside, right? Now, we get to this point where whether or not we want to just keep on tracking it to there. And tracking it to there, right? And we're still developing it if we do that. So there's a chance we could try to go down here. Maybe retest that 10,243, like I said. Before we maybe get a bounce to 10,647. With that, we would be closing a CME gap that we left open. I'm still trying to gauge whether or not that's going to be an important gap. We're going to have to close it, right? But I'm not sure if we're going to close it right now or we're going to close it later on. Dude, awesome. Something happened here. For some reason, my connect with Twitch. It wasn't connected. But we'll try to connect right now. And we are. So, Cryptobolus is following the channel. Thank you for joining us, Cryptobolus, and following the channel. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Anyways, yeah, so longer term, right? We don't have anything against the RSI, just against the MACD. That hidden bearish potential movement to the downside. Let's go to the 1 hour. 27, 29, 32, slightly higher, right? So high, higher, high, more positive momentum. Here, I'm not sure if I did this in a rush yesterday or we didn't have this yesterday, maybe. We should have had it. But we were creating some bearish from here to here, right? From here to here, I guess we could say. On the 1 hour chart. There we go, right? I might have missed this one. So we'll break down on that. And here, I think we got a little bit more pullback. We're coming in lower still here by the 7th. So today, and we're going from low to lower low still, right? And negative, I guess to less negative. Are we going to less negative? We're going to go all the way from back here. Just remember that is one island. So the highest point of this island would be here. And from here to here, we would be creating that strong bullish divergence, right? This is 29.73 and this is 23.32. So more negative momentum, less negative momentum. Low on the RSI to a higher point on the RSI. So again, yesterday my anchoring wasn't that good. So just fix it there. Fix this to there. And yeah, fixes it, right? Anyways, still coming slightly lower here. And I missed this bearish divergence yesterday. So with that, we're moving down, right? 15 followers, nice. You're promoting. Try to get it to 30. What? Sorry, man. A little bit weirded out. 15 followers. Where, man? Here? Twitch? I'm not sure, dude. I'm not sure how many followers I had before. Trying to get to that real quick. Just give me 1 second, though. Don't tell me how many I have right now. Just tell me there's 2 people watching on Twitch. Let's see if I can open here on the side. Nope, it's not really telling you much. On D-Live, awesome, bro. Jake, how's it going, bro? Rockets to the moon. Yes, man, let's go to the moon. With the space helmets on, because, dude, why not? By the way, if I feel super off, dude. D-Live says 15. Alright, cool, yeah, I had a couple on D-Live. Oh, you're in D-Live, dude. You're not on Twitch. Yeah, I just noticed the logo. Yeah, so, well, I got raided once, from, like, the Hex people. And, basically, they, a lot of them subscribed, and then I'm not sure why. Anyways, if you guys have been tipping on D-Live, I usually don't get to see them until the stream is done. If you've been sending lemon and stuff like that. Not that I don't want to say be grateful. It's just it doesn't pop up here on the chat, on the main chat, right? That one that you see on your screens, and I'm usually not looking into the actual streaming sites very often, so that's a reason why I couldn't get it right. Hello, Nim Trader, so I'll be here soon. Awesome, bro. That's excellent, dude. Hope Nim's gonna do good, man. So we had the bearish divergence that I forgot to call yesterday, and now we're getting the strong bullish, rallying to the upside very nicely, getting above 10,243. We haven't created anything bearish yet, I think. So let's see, 27 and 32, right? So we're going higher. We're positive momentum higher here. Nothing bearish in the 1 hour. Looks like we're doing a potential double bottom here, like 1, 2, right? And we could be going for a reversal. I'll wait for confirmation, though, right? Let's retest 10,647. We have a gap on the CME that we need to close. I talked about that. Let's go on the daily. Let's check out that CME gap, right? That we left there. We left there on the weekend. Again, I just noticed that I get caught off when I slouch, so I'm trying to like get better position while I do the news, dude. So I'm gonna have to like sit up straight here and try to like not slouch so much, so that's not get cut off the frame. There we go. I've tried everything, dude. I moved my mic up here, like up here. My camera, I tilted it up a little bit more. That where it forces me. I just keep on forgetting, and I just keep on slouching and like, you know, crouching into screens, and it's freaking mess, dude. I need to like get better posture, otherwise I'm gonna start getting like back pains from doing this stuff, dude. Anyways, we have the gap here, right, from here to here. I marked it with yellow, so we know that there's a gap, and then we have this gap down here. So we got a gap that's very close. Looks like we want to move up to close it, right? I even posted the on Twitter, like we have 2 gaps. One that we left open at 10,610, and the other one we have here at 9,615, right? So I said, which one are you closest? Rhetoric, dude. I do believe we might close this one fit first, right? It's closer. We might get that reversal happening, and then try to go for that lower one if we're gonna get to close that one. So here, for example, we left the gap. We close it the following day. Left the gap, close it the following day. So we just left the gap. We could close it the following week or so. Let's wait for this to happen, right? Here we left the gap. We closed it a couple days later, right? We're just moving down. So it's not weird to leave gaps. It's just when we're going to close them. All gaps get filled at some point eventually. So this one, it will just take longer because we were like doing a change in pattern, right? It's like a breakout gap. We're going to go up. At some point in time, we might need to refill that gap. And we're gonna figure it out, right? So with that said, let's keep on charting. Let's go look at Ethereum. Yo, Ethereum, where's it at? Still, and next support, right? Jake, we got to 340, right? You did call 340 at some point in time, or 320. Finally got there. Actually held support at 319 right now, sitting at 364. Again, within this range, 364, 319, nothing developing, right? Low, lower, low. Let's check right now if we are still creating nothing here. Let's see. 862, 10, right? So negative, more negative, low on the other side, lower as we're coming lower. So yeah, nothing bullish yet. Neutral at 42.18. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Strong bullish potential for price action to the upside. We got it right now. Pull back down a little bit. Still running on the strong bullish. We haven't created anything bearish. High, lower, high, positive, less positive, high on the other side, lower on the other side. All things are good right now for Ethereum. On the other side, we don't have that bullish. Just seeing it's a MACD. That's great. Sitting neutral at 43.41. Let's move on to the 1-hour chart. But high, coming in low again. Hidden bearish. Sorry, strong bearish. Action to the downside. We move down. Like I said, I'm a little bit tired, man. Last night I didn't sleep that well. It's been a super heavy day, dude. I went through a massive contract today. It's giving me headaches, you know. Particularly when you get a peek at what you're looking at in contracts. It's just freaking annoying, dude. Had a low to slightly higher, I'm gonna call it. Let's see, 57.14, 58, slightly higher. Yeah. So we're going from here to this very slightly high point, and we will be going slightly lower on that price, right? So from here to here. And with that, we're creating that hidden bearish potential for action to the downside. We're moving down near the 20. We haven't quite hit it yet, so we want to take a bounce. Again, why do we keep on running after we created that strong bearish? You know, we created this strong bullish back here. Haven't created anything since, I believe. So let's see, low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the other side, higher on the other side, maybe. Let's see. Let's check this one out here. 33.94. 33.19, going slightly lower. We're creating some hidden bullish. This is very, very slight. So from out here and from here to here, right? Opening very, very slightly. Right, so strong hidden bullish divergence, price action to the outside. That's what's getting us to go up. Then we're creating this hidden bearish. We might go down a little bit, maybe hit the 20, and maybe get a retest of 364.03. So let's move on to XRP. XRP really below that 24-cent line, and I wouldn't be weirded out if we actually hit that 22-cent mark. And we did. We have moved today to that 22-cent mark, right? Yesterday, actually. Technical yesterday for the market. 22.97, right? That's how low it moved. Right now, it's at 24.18. Again, gonna probably face rejection or retest 24.69, right? We have resistance, so we gotta face that. Nothing on the MACD in there. Side sitting sold at 39. So let's go to the 4-hour. We had the bullish divergence, price action to the upside. We did try to rally a little bit. Move down slightly. And try to go for a rally again. Again, it's looking weird here. Here, the lowest point I can see, that's 22.9. Yeah. Or is that 23-cent area? Right. Getting in the bounce, getting above the 20 right now. Looks like we want to hold support there. Let's see if that happens, right? Let's see if that holds. 155, 156. It's very slight, but it's happening right now, right? We went from a high to a lower high. And I'm just forgetting to anchor left and right. Tomorrow's charts are going to be a mess. And high and slightly high, right? So we're creating that. Sorry, that's in the 4-hour. I think I just sent it to the 1-hour. So we don't have it against our side, just against the MACD, right? We're starting to develop it. We don't necessarily have it fully yet, but we have it right now. Right, the hidden bearish potential for stalling our action to the downside. We'll figure it out. Again, we're creating it near resistance. We'll figure out what's going to happen there later on. Sitting neutral at 45.05 on the RSI. Let's go to the 1-hour. I already know we're going to have a weird line there. There we go. Snap, guys. Super tired, man. Bearish divergence, action to downside. We moved down on that. We called it live, bearish, or if not live, a couple hours after the live. So we're probably here live. Broke below 20, right? Retest, rejection, moving lower. Now low. Are we going lower low? Doubt it. Let's check this one out. What is this closing at? 23,188. 23, 162. Very, very slightly lower, right? Almost sideways, we could say. And we're going from a low to a lesser low, right? So if we're not creating strong bullish, we're at least creating type 2 bullish, right? So we know that it's there. We also have it against the RSI. So price action to the upside, we get in the rally. Right now facing a little bit of pullback. We do have something bearish. Alright, so do I want to anchor from here though? Yes, I'll anchor from here, guys. This is the highest one we made. Close at 23.95. 23.95 from here all the way to here, right? Sorry, we closed at 23.95, and here we closed at 24. So we opened at 24.25, closed at 23. Yeah, so we're going slightly. So we opened, at 24, 28. 24, 28, and 24, 25. So we're just gonna call it sideways motion if we wanted to, right? Again, it's just like fraction of a cent. I'm going from here to a slightly lower point, so some hidden bearish, right? Potential for price action to the downside. Starting to move down a little bit. Looks like we want to regain this area. Gotta wait. I mean, XRP could potentially run to that 24.69 area. It's very close. With that, let's move on to Litecoin. Water jumped out of my glass and hit me in the eye. Wow. I feel weird today, man. I feel like I'm like floating in air, dude. Like my head's like completely off. We're creating hidden bullish price action to the upside. We got the rally. Move farther down. Again, nothing happening on the daily on Litecoin. Sitting sold at 37.97 on the other side. Let's move on to the 4 hour. We had the bullish. Did we create more bullish? Yes, it looks like we did, right? From here to here, right? Slightly lower, right? And it's gonna be on the 4 hour. Awesome. Then from here to here, right? And then from here to here. And with that, we're creating that hidden bullish potential for price action to the upside, and we're getting that. So that strong bullish potential for price action to the upside. We're getting above the 20 right now, hitting it. It looks like we want to hold on support there. Again, getting tight yourself 1-year bands in the 4 hours. Neutral at 45.18. Let's move on to an 1 hour chart. We created hidden bearish potential for movement down. We move down, right? You see that's clear as day. 17. 19 also lower here on the RSI, so we didn't create anything bullish here on the 1 hour, right? We're probably getting the balance from what we created in the 4 hour, and that's fine. Now we are going higher to the next island, right? So from here to here, going slightly higher. We're going from a high to a lower point here, and you know, we're creating strong bearish potential for price action to the downside. Starting to get that candle to show up, right? That red candle. Hit that bot area twice, 59.79. Right now it's in neutral at 56.63. We just got very, very close to being bought, right? So with that, I'm gonna move on to Binance, dude. I'm not sure if I want to do other coins today, dude. I'm feeling really, really off. I'm gonna like just log off and shut down after I finish Binance. So I'm not gonna take any coin requests. I'm not even sure if I want to look at the markets, man. I'm just feeling completely weird, man. Like my head's not here. It's just awful, dude. Again, stuff I forgot to anchor. I'm not sure why these are the dailies way up here. It makes no sense where these lines are at. Weird. Right, maybe we're creating something. I'm not sure. Anyways. Just getting rid of this. It makes no sense where they're at. Right, so we're not doing anything here, right? Low, lower, low, more negative momentum, lower on the RSI on the daily, sitting neutral at 51.23 on the RSI. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Created the bearish yesterday. I think this is in the 1 hour. I just forgot to anchor. See, dude, yesterday my anchoring was off also. I have to deal with all over the place. Come on. I'm not even switching that properly. No, we're alright, so have we created something? Yes, we did, right? On the 4 hour. Shit, Spotify ads. Yay. Let's do something else. Come on, music. I was gonna play at some point in time. Let's put it on random. Right on. So what are we doing here, right? Missed this one also, I think, right? There from here, any other point on the island, right there. Hidden bearish, potential for action to downside. We move down, hit that 20, held on to support on the 4 hour, going for a bounce. That's great. Nothing else developing here. Let's see. Do we do something down here that I forget to call? Let's see. $26.47, so slightly lower here on the other side. So no, I didn't forget anything there. Creating that hidden bearish, moving down, going for a bounce. Great on after hitting the 20. So neutral at 55.03. I'm gonna move on to the 1 hour chart. This is from the 4 again. Why am I not anchoring right? Why am I not keeping stuff where it's supposed to stay, man? Ah, dudes, my head is completely weird, dude. I've had massive headache. Oh, man, this just feels real weird. Anyways, bearish divergence slant. We called that one yesterday. You know, when we came in, move down on that. That's great. Have we created something here? I don't believe so. Let's see. 244, 263. Right. More negative momentum lower here on the our side as well. Low to high again. Yeah, we can call something from back here, I guess. So from here to here. Right. Just in the 1 hour chart. I'm going from here to here, right? So more negative. Right, so some hidden bullish. That's where we're at, rallying right now on Binance. Did Litecoin have this and I just completely botched it when I looked at it, man? Let me recheck. No, this one didn't get that, right? Went lower, more negative momentum, lower on the other side. That's fine. Not except here real quick. I just want to go on the 4 hour. Make sure I didn't forget to anchor anything. Yeah, I did, right? I forgot to anchor that there, man. Again, see what I tell you guys? Like my head's, I'm not sure, dude. It's a freaking mess, huh? Also, that's from the 1 hour. Just doing some cleanup real quick. What's NEM IQ look like today? Look, I'll check out NEM, and then after that one, I'm just gonna like call it a day, man. I'm feeling completely weirded out, so like my head's completely like feels hazy, like I'm floating, and like I just had a massive headache today. Not sure. I'll check out NEM, and I'll that'll be it, dude. I'm not gonna check anything else after NEM. Let's only make sure I anchored properly on Bitcoin before I move on, right? I think I did here. So let's go here in the 4 hour. I think I messed everyone anything here on the 1 hour. There we go. NEM. What mean? Huh. NEM to the dollar. Bro, Joey, do you want NEM against Bitcoin or KuCoin, or just want against the dollar, man? Because I'm not sure why you want to look at against NEM. Let me know the pair, and I'll check it out, right? Haven't even against the dollar, so I'm not sure if that's what I want to look at. So. Bitcoin, alright, I'll check it against Bitcoin. Alright, here we go. Name against the Bitcoin on KuCoin. So we're coming lower every time, right? You can see that. Low, 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 right? That's great there. Nothing off to that point in time. Just let me anchor this in the daily. And we're just going lower every time, right? So less negative momentum, right? On the RSI, we're going lower, so nothing there. And with that to here, we're creating some strong bullish. We try to rally. Looks like we hit the 20 and we're rejecting. But again, I'm not getting the Bollinger Bands to show up for some reason on this chart. By the way, the project, it's sitting at 0.00000361 sats. That's where it's sitting at. And as you can tell from here to here, we're going lower definitely, right? So low, lower, low, and then we're going from negative to less negative. We're starting to create this island. Again, just keep that in mind. There's a bigger chance that, we might keep on creating this new negative momentum island. We'll see where we anchor from. All this is one island. So if the lower we go and more negative momentum we build, we'll still be anchoring from back here then to the new low. And with that, we're creating divergence here. I do believe we're creating it also against the RSI, 38.68 and 39. So yeah, very slightly. Since sold at 39.69. Let's go to the 4 hour. High, lower, high, less positive. That's fine. Then here, positive, right? Less positive. That's fine. High, low. Nothing on the 4 hour that I can see that's bearish right now. Let's see if we find something bullish. Low, slightly higher low, right? And that's fine. And here we're definitely going from this low to this low and a slightly lower low area, right? So you can tell we're hitting that bottom here of that wick. So I'll go from here to here. It's just very slight though. Any pullback, a little bit of pullback to the upside, and we'll get rid of that. Brown. There we go, and from here to here, right, creating that potential strong bullish divergence right now, and for price action to the upside, maybe, right? It just depends. Again, we're starting to create these new negative momentum island, and you keep going building, right? So we just gotta be careful on the 4 hour. Name against Bitcoin. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. 20, 23. Low, lower, low, more negative momentum, lower on the RSI. So yeah, we don't have anything there. High, lower, high, less, right? And then high, lower, high. Less, and then less as well. So nothing really here that I can call bullish or bearish in the short term. Right, this low that we made is lower than the previous low. That would be this island. I'm just trying to see if I should call it from back here against the RSI only though. Right, so from there to there. And from this low to the new low over there, right? So with that we would have some strong bullish. But I'm not sure if this is going to play strongly to the upside yet. Again, it's not immediate. It's over a longer period of time. It is the previous lower low we had made. So it would make sense that we're going there. I think it's going to be it, dude. Yeah. Thank you guys for tuning in, guys. This is going to be it for tonight. I'm not going to look at DBT. I'm not going to look at RSR. I'm not going to look at any other coin loop. I think I'm just going to disconnect myself and like crash. Thank you guys for being here, guys. This is Tether Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. It's a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Monday night. Sorry I'm not being 100% today. Hoping I'm going to be 100% tomorrow. Thank you for joining me again. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit that like button, that sub. I even like simply complete wrong sign out. That is a Twitter. Join us on sorry, that's the YouTube. Join us on YouTube at the Tether Crypto. And after that little bar goes away, I'll be able to basically send the new bar going out there. I think it's gone now, so let's get that one out there as well. There we go. Do what that little thing's gonna do, right? Hit that like that on that sub, dude. Again, I'll be here tomorrow. Sorry, I'm not 100% right now. And yeah, until then, guys. As Bitcoin Jake says, please love and huddle, right? Dude, I don't have COVID. I just feel completely off, dude. Like my head just feels like weird, like hazy. Like if I'm floating, sort of, but I just have a headache. So, dude, I just think I'm just gonna call it quits for today. So I'm not even feeling like I'm even in the groove, dude. So I want to be here 100% when I do the technicals, and make sure that I want to do this right. And right now, I'm just feel completely off. So thank you guys for tuning in. I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto. Until then.